Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2011 Nissan Micra ST. This vehicle sustained damage to the right-hand front. This shape ran from the 11th month 2010 to the 12th month 2016. This vehicle is fitted with a HR1 2DE 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. We have the left-hand headlight. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 14-inch steel wheels and hubcap. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand front door. Appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 14-inch steel wheel and hubcap. Left rear has a good tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate. Right-hand tail light. Also has a tidy bumper cover. Factory 14-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Right rear has a good tyre. Have the right rear door. Appears to have no damage. Right hand front door. Right hand power door mirror. Factory 14-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Right front has a good tyre. We also have the right hand front guard. Appears to have no damage. And the right hand headlight. We have the driver's side master switch, power window type. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console, handbrake lever, 5-speed manual transmission center console. Factory AC controls. Standard single stack CD player. We have the left-hand sun visor, tidy condition. Has a tidy right-hand sun visor with mirror. Has a 5-speed manual transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.